Are you looking for a great shallow mount subwoofer? Here are 5 of the best options on the market today. Whether you're looking for something small and compact or something that can really pack a punch, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. List 1. MB-Quart DS1 Discus Shallow Mount Subwoofer Black. MB-Quart DS1 204 Discus Deep Mount Subwoofer is a great choice for your car subwoofer install. With less than 3 inches mounting depth, this car subwoofer is ideal in sealed enclosure applications and makes for one of the most versatile subwoofers for cars in areas with limited space. Front and rear venting allows cooler air to be exchanged in the voice coil gap, which helps the sub make deep bass and extend the life of the component. The DS1 204 is a two-way active Class D subwoofer for the uninitiated. It's designed to deliver room-shaking bass in a sealed enclosure, but can handle pretty much any use, including extended downfiring applications in vented enclosures. The DS1 204 utilizes high-power amplification and linear motor structure, wound on a ferrite magnet system to ensure that it delivers high output with little distortion. List number: Scar Audio VD D2 12 inches 800 watt max power dual 2 ohm shallow. The Scar Audio VD12D2 is a 2 ohm dual 2 inches deep mount subwoofer that is engineered for deep bass, targeted sound, and outstanding performance. The unit features a paper cone and stitched foam surround to ensure the most accurate reproduction of your music. Scar has taken our award-winning VD11 and improved on it by adding dual 2 ohm voice coils, D2, in a shallow mount subwoofer build. The VD12 features an 800 watt peak power rating and 500 watts RMS, along with a RMS of 86.7 dB from 350 Hz to 4 kHz. This subwoofer was engineered to sound great and handle ample amounts of power, all while maintaining a shallow footprint, which allows them to be very versatile as well as get loud. The VD12 measures 4.92 inches depth and is approximately 15 pounds in weight. The D2 technology allows for low distortion even at high volumes. A stitched foam surround ensures great durability as well as total portability. List 3. MB-Quart DS1 254 Discus Shallow Mount Subwoofer Black. The MB-Quart DS1 254 subwoofer is an ideal addition to your car audio system. It is perfect for sealed enclosure applications and delivers big bass at a low price. The MB-Quart DS1 254 Discus Shallow Mount Subwoofer Black is a simple and effective way to add bass to your car. Its shallow depth of 3 inches makes it ideal for applications with limited space. And its built-in venting ensures cooler air reaches the voice coil gap to make deep bass with extended life. Its heavy-gauge stamped steel basket delivers big bass in a small space without consuming more room than necessary. It's built to last with a heavy-gauge powder-coated stamped steel basket that provides a solid base for the motor system and moving parts. With a compact size less than 3 inches, this car subwoofer has more versatility than other typical car subs on the market today. List number: JBL Club WS1000 10 inches shallow mount subwoofer. The JBL Club WS1000 is a shallow mount subwoofer that boasts incredible sound quality and deep bass tones. With a powerful 200 watt RMS or 800 watt peak power handling, the JBL Club WS1000 is a great choice for your car audio system. Authentic JBL sound at an affordable price. The WS1000 is a 10-inch shallow mount subwoofer, which features a stylish, slim, and sleek design to complement your car audio surround sound system. Their low-profile design allows them to fit perfectly into even the most shallow of enclosures, great for today's compact cars. The lightweight woofer features high current and powerful 200 watt RMS or 800 watt peak power handling capability, with a 35 Hz to 175 Hz frequency response. The Club WS1000 is perfect for use in boats with shallow watertight enclosures and submersible instruments, as well as in cars, trucks, or other vehicles. List number: Scar Audio dual 10 inches loaded SDR series vented subwoofer. The Scar Audio SDR series subwoofer is engineered to deliver the legendary deep bass response of the legendary Scar Audio subwoofers, but in a compact format. The dual 10 inches subwoofer enclosure is finished with a black carpeting that blends seamlessly with any environment. The SDR series dual 10-inch subwoofer enclosure is a premium vented enclosure made of 5/8 inches MDF and finished in black carpeting. This unique design is perfect for your home theater system, producing powerful bass without muffling the mid-range frequencies, thanks to its double front baffle design, countersunk subwoofer design, pre-wired internally for a 1 ohm final impedance load at terminals, and premium vented enclosure. This subwoofer has an RMS power rating of 1200 watts and a peak of 2400 watts, so you can get an incredible amount of volume with this enclosure.